Hello everyone, welcome back. How to present thought of the day in the school morning assembly. Good morning everyone. My name is Avantika from class 8. Thought of the day is: success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. I repeat my thought. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out, which means success is not usually the result of coincidence or big dramatic action. Instead, it's earned through consistency and discipline. It requires dedication, hard work, practicing a skill, and overcoming obstacles. Dear friends, to get success, doing something one should repeat again. Small and slow efforts are necessary and powerful building block for future. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.